Okay, so actually it's the same day and it dried up a lot quicker than I thought. So what you want to do is get some water and then you're gonna dip your fingers in it and sprinkle it over your workpiece. And I mean, there's no rhyme or reason to it, kind of whatever you want, you know. You can do big drops, small drops, pattern. So I don't know if you can see that in here or not. I'll show you in a second. But you gotta have the gloss paint. That's probably plenty. You gotta have the gloss paint. Hold on. Okay, so there's my drops. And you need to have gloss because the water, you want the water to be repelled. It doesn't like the paint. It's repelled by it. So, okay. Now, get the next step here. All right, so I've got a few different colors of paint. Gloss. I've got a brilliant blue. That's the darker one. I've got a satin oasis, or a oasis blue. And I've got spa blue. So the first one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause it here to shake these up. Okay, all shaken. So the first one, what you're gonna do is come at your workpiece from one direction and real low. So I'm just gonna do some real light spritzes and we'll see what happens. And you're just trying to catch the edge of those water drops. That's the goal. The edge that you're coming from. Okay, now I'm gonna take the next one, the Oasis blue, and I went from this direction with the darker blue. Now I'm gonna come from that direction and spray it this way. Keeping it low. You want to do a little more this time. All right, pause you to shake. All right, now I'm on the gloss blue, or the spa blue, sorry. And now I'm gonna come from that direction. So the dark blue from this direction, the medium blue this way over, and then the light blue, I'm coming from that way. You can do it whichever way, but it's important that you go opposite directions. So this one I'm gonna go a little heavier, and we'll see. Okay, it'll flip you around. And here you go. So that's my look. And now you gotta let it sit because you got the water on there. So now we're gonna let this sit overnight so all that water evaporates. See you tomorrow.